Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be taking a look at one of the greatest property that I've seen in Richmond, California. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,371 square footage of living space. Newly renovated, my buyer is so lucky to have gotten to contract this property because it is their first home ever. So I'm happy for them, they're happy for themselves, and it's just an amazing property altogether. Without further ado, let's go check it out. First off, we'll start with this amazing entryway here, completely redone, simple, not too big, not too small. But as we move towards the living room over here, check out this amazing living room here, recessed lightings. We kept the original fireplace here, as you can see, so it still works, but repainted all the shelving, opened up the walls all the way to the back here. So if you can see, it just goes straight to the back, maybe 30-40 feet of just open space. Very, very amazing. Next up, we'll go into the dining room. Come over this way here. Okay. We have quartz countertop here from this side all the way to the end of the kitchen over here. Check out this amazing backsplash here. Not only does this go all the way to the end there, but it stretches to the ceiling. Super amazing. Not only that though, on the other side where the kitchen is, on the other side where the stove is, also backsplash galore. Very nice. If you come this way, let me show you the laundry area. Small, but gets the job done. We can put a dryer here with a washer, and there's already a water heater in here. And over here we have breakfast nook. Sit here with your significant other, blazing out at the amazing view that we have, which is the backyard. I'll show you that in a second, but before then, let me show you the bedrooms because just amazing. First bedroom here, not too big, not too small, just perfect with a closet in the back. Now, check out the bathroom that comes with this bedroom. Over to the left here, as I walk in, as you can see, it's modernized with a double vanity with a quartz countertop as well. And we have a redone shower. Check this out. Okay. As we move on to the second bedroom here, I just want to show you the electrical system that's been redone completely. Come check it out. Labeled and everything, they did a really good job in rewriting this entire place. Updated electrical is a huge bonus in a newly renovated home. Now, let's move on to the second bedroom here. We're here in the second bedroom, not too bad. We have a simple bed here and then a closet with cabinets over here on the side here. Now let's move on to the final bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Come on down this way. Voila! Master bedroom. Perfect size in my opinion for 2 people and a massive closet. Just massive in Richmond, okay? Now, what I want to show you is the second bathroom that comes with this property. It is also renovated. Check it out. As you can see, a walk-in shower, but just a simple single vanity here. Nothing, we don't need a double vanity, something simple. Single vanity will do just fine here. Now as we make our way back here to the living room, back to the dining room and the kitchen, it's time we check out the backyard. Let's go take a look. Here we are at the backyard. You see, Richmond is a very, very nice and warm neighborhood compared to, San Francisco or Daly City, for example. Sun's still up. Right now it's about 7:30. Sun is just getting ready to set. but it's still warm enough to do a video back here. And not just that, to chill with your friends, of course. What better thing to do at 7:30 at night, 8:30 at night, than to chill around by a very industrial-like oven with your friends, right? Sit here, have a drink, have a pizza maybe. If you're a cook, if you're a chef, you can make pizza in this area here. Secluded from the rest of the community, and just relax after a long day of work, all right? But not just that. If you move over here, we have space for other activities. And maybe your kids want to play around in a nice backyard here. Lots of potential in this backyard. But not just that, there's also, as you can see, no grass here. So it's easy to maintain. It's easy to keep beautiful. Okay. And lastly, what I want to show you here right behind me is the garage. Okay, simple single car garage. Anyways, enough talking about it. Let's just take a look at the garage here. So there we have it. The final piece of the house, the garage. Single car, but it'll do the trick. This is Richmond, California after all. Nothing can be perfect over here, but we can damn be sure to be close. Well, that's it for me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this property tour. I'm closing out my day just admiring this beautiful sunset right behind me. But if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like down below, as it does help me out tremendously. If you want to see any properties in California, especially the Bay Area, I'm your guy. But with that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.